The flat cooking surface is perfect for cooking pancakes, eggs, and burgers, while the groove surface is great for grilling steaks, chicken, and vegetables. This griddle is made of stainless steel and features an SS grade 300 for material, without worrying about warping or damage. The grill is designed to be versatile and perfect for use with natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas LPG, and pipeline gas. Whether you're a professional chef or just cooking at home, help prepare all kinds of delicious grilled dishes quickly and efficiently. You may have noticed that our griddle is an upright type, but we also have a tabletop. We have also designed an ergonomically friendly cool grip handle, making it easy for you to open and access the contents of the cabinet. On top of the cabinet, we have also included an oil drip tray for easy cleaning and maintenance. The legs are adjustable in height, so you can customize the griddle to your desired height for comfortable cooking. For safety purposes, we have included a flame adjustment and automatic flame out protection device using international brand. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through the official website.